Hi everyone, I'm Kato. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to paint the daffodil, which is a popular flower around this time of the year, which is January, February. So I'm going to use these Bonte cards, which I've demonstrated in my last video, but I'm going to use this slightly different color, which I believe is produced in a different batch. And check it out. Let's get started. I think this is called daffodils, but then there is a Chinese name called a Chinese sacred lily. Apparently, this is origin from China, and now it is cultivated everywhere. This is the first year that I bought this for decoration. I feel fortunate that I've got two species in this little pot, if you notice. Today I'm going to paint this classic Chinese sacred lily, which has 6 petals and a yellow cup in the middle that holds some stamens. And I'm going to use the line drawing technique. Line drawing technique is a basic technique in traditional Chinese painting. Instead of using pencil, which can be erased, we use Chinese ink, which is more challenging because it is a permanent color on rice paper. I am starting with very little ink and make sure that there isn't too much water on the brush belly. From time to time, I've got someone ask me about the brush that I use because there are too many brands and different sizes in the market. If you have been following my channel, I've been using only 2 brushes, one large one and one small one. The one that I'm using right now is the small one that is made of wolf hair. Well, even my small one is a medium to large orchid bamboo. A lot of artists use several brushes, and some use different ones for different colors, and some use different ones for painting different things. So if you need a smaller brush to paint finer lines, go for it. To me, this is okay. I've been using this for over 2 years now, and it still works. The only time that I will retire and get a new brush is when I lose the pointy tip, then I'll get a new one. I am painting the outlines of the leaves as well. For the line drawing technique, I have to create all the outlines first, wait till the ink is dried, and then fill it with some color. The stems of this type of flowers are well hidden in the middle of the bunch of upright leaves, so I don't have to paint the stems. In real life, some flowers are even hidden in the middle of the leaves, but most of them will stick out to the sunlight. What I like about this type of flowers is its fragrance. It smells so good when it blooms, so it makes me happy, but this is something that I can't paint. Now I've mixed some green color to fill the leaves. It doesn't need to be very exact because I'm now painting a freestyle Chinese painting. And I would like to add a few more strokes without the outline, so just to give it a bit more variation. And I'm using just ink to paint the bulbs of these Chinese sacred lily. Now I'm adding a butterfly using the same line drawing technique. I guess painting insects is the time to use a finer brush, but I don't have one, so I'm going to use the same brush. I just need to be careful and make sure that I don't have too much water in my brush belly. I'm mixing some orange color for the stamens and paint them first. And then I'm gonna wait till it dries a little bit and then add the lighter yellow color for the cups. One thing about painting on this type of mounted card is that it is a bit different from the half-white paper that I always use. It is more raw. Water absorption is not the same, so it is more challenging and difficult to get the perfect strokes. Having said that, given the price and it is purchased online, the quality is already very good and is good value. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.